While billions of stars are scattered throughout the universe, the one at the center of our solar system plays a special role for us here on Earth. Our Sun formed about 4.5 billion years ago in the Milky Way galaxy's Orion Spur. It was born when a cloud of dust and gas, known as a solar nebula, collapsed. And in the middle of this formation, matter condensed into a burning ball of gas that became our Sun. The Sun's fiery nature, along with a tremendous gravitational pull and an extensive magnetic field, helped it to become the heart of our solar system.
Hello and welcome, dear space enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting journey through the cosmos. The Sun, with its radiant glow, has been the source of inspiration for countless myths, legends, and scientific endeavors. From its vital role as the gravitational center of our solar system to the dynamic processes that unfold within its core, the Sun holds secrets that continue to intrigue and astound us. The presence of the Sun is so precious for our lives. It plays a crucial role and has critical impact on our planet. It drives weather, seasons, climate, and ocean currents. It is Sun that makes plant life possible through photosynthesis. Without the light and heat of the Sun, life on Earth would not exist at all. In short, it is the Sun that makes our dead Earth alive. It is important for us to understand the crucial importance of the Sun before we start our today's journey. Now that we have understood this a bit, we are good to go. All over the years, astronomers have been trying to find out answers about the guru of our solar system. How old is the Sun? How powerful is the Sun? How hot is the Sun? Today, we're going to delve into the heart of our solar system, exploring 20 mind-blowing facts about the magnificent star that makes life on Earth possible, the Sun. As we embark on this illuminating adventure, let's open our minds to the wonders of this celestial giant that has captivated human imagination for centuries. So, sit back, relax, and let's uncover the awe-inspiring facts that make the Sun an extraordinary cosmic entity. Welcome to the Media Geek, the arena with engaging and informative weekly videos. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to extend your support. So, without any further ado, let's dive into the mysteries beyond the stars. Fact 1. The Sun's vital role. Our journey begins with a fundamental fact. The Sun is the gravitational anchor of our solar system, holding everything in orbit. Its immense gravity keeps the planets, moons, and other celestial bodies dancing in a cosmic ballet. Without the Sun, there would be no solar system as we know it. Another crazy fact is that some solar systems have multiple suns, but our solar system only has one. To grasp the Sun's gravitational might, consider this: the Sun's mass is approximately 330,000 times that of Earth. Its gravitational pull extends far beyond the orbit of Pluto, maintaining a delicate balance that allows the planets to traverse their orbits with precision. The strength of gravity on the surface of the Sun, that is, the photosphere, the shiny part we see, is 28 times stronger than the force of gravity on the surface of the Earth. Fact 2. A giant ball of plasma. The Sun's brilliance doesn't arise from a solid surface, but rather from a colossal ball of hot, ionized gas, plasma. This seething mass of energy is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, the building blocks of stars. About 71% of the Sun's mass is hydrogen and another 27% is helium, with the remaining 2% consisting of trace elements, including oxygen, carbon, neon, and iron. To put the Sun's composition into perspective, if you gathered all the hydrogen in the Sun and converted it to helium, the process would release an amount of energy equivalent to burning 100 billion tons of coal every second. Fact 3. Nuclear fusion. At the heart of the Sun's brilliance lies a fascinating process known as nuclear fusion. Deep within its core, hydrogen atoms are forced together to form helium, releasing an astonishing amount of energy. The temperature in the Sun's core exceeds 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, providing the ideal conditions for this stellar alchemy. Every second, the sun converts about 4 million tons of matter into energy through nuclear fusion. That's equivalent to the mass of several large cruise ships transforming into pure energy every single second. Fact 4. Enormous mass. The sun is not just a celestial body, it's a cosmic heavyweight. Its mass is a staggering 333,000 times that of Earth, accounting for over 99.8% of the total mass in our solar system. To truly fathom this colossal mass, imagine a sphere made up of 1 million Earths. It still wouldn't match the sun's heft. The gravitational influence of the sun reaches far beyond the orbits of the planets. Objects like comets and asteroids, influenced by the sun's gravity, trace elliptical paths around it. The sun's gravity shapes the structure and dynamics of our solar neighborhood in ways both profound and subtle. Fact 5. Sun is a pretty average star. After learning about the gigantic sun so far, you must be thinking that our sun is so special. But it's not. Our sun is a pretty average star. It is true that there are smaller stars compared to our sun, but some are up to 100 times bigger. Our sun is 865,000 miles or 1.4 million kilometers in diameter and 10,000 Fahrenheit or 5,600 Celsius on the surface. We have found stars that are 100 times in size than our sun. We have also found stars that are up to 1/10 the size of our sun. For instance, our sun will look like a small dot if we compare it to the stars like Rigel and Aldebaran, but it will look like a giant star if we compare it to a red dwarf. There are also some solar systems with multiple stars. Now, can you imagine living on a planet with multiple stars, eventually having multiple sunrises and multiple sunsets? Well, life will be weird in that case. Fact 6. Solar wind. Beyond its gravitational prowess, the sun's influence extends through solar wind, a constant stream of charged particles. These particles, mainly electrons and protons, stream outward from the sun, creating the heliosphere, a protective bubble that shields our solar system from cosmic radiation. The solar wind travels at speeds of up to 400 kilometers per second. To put this in perspective, it would take less than a week for solar wind to travel from the sun to the Earth, a journey that spans approximately 150 million kilometers. Fact 7. Sunspots and solar cycles. As we observe the sun, we often notice dark spots on its surface, sunspots. These areas are cooler due to intense magnetic activity. Sunspots are part of an intriguing phenomenon known as solar cycles, where the sun goes through roughly 11-year cycles of increased and decreased solar activity. Each solar cycle brings a surge of solar activity, marked by an increase in sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections. The ebb and flow of these cycles play a role in space weather and can impact communication systems and satellite operations on Earth. Fact 8. The sun's age. The sun is not just a timeless celestial companion, it's a cosmic elder with an estimated age of about 4.6 billion years. Scientists deduce this age by studying the oldest meteorites, which contain remnants of the early solar system. Consider this: if you condensed the sun's entire lifespan into a 24-hour day, humanity's existence would occupy just a fraction of a second. The sun's age is a testament to the vastness of cosmic time and the enduring nature of our solar system's radiant centerpiece. Fact 9. The speed of light. Light, the emissary of the sun's brilliance, travels at an astonishing speed, approximately 186,282 miles per second, 299,792 kilometers per second. It takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds for sunlight to reach Earth. To grasp the sheer speed of light, imagine circumnavigating the Earth almost 7.5 times in a single second. The sun's rays, reaching us in just over 8 minutes, provide a timeless connection between our planet and its cosmic light source. Fact 10. The sun's layers. The sun's structure is not a simple affair. It comprises several distinct layers, each with unique properties. At its core, where nuclear fusion occurs, temperatures exceed 15 million degrees Celsius. Moving outward, we encounter the radiative zone, convective zone, photosphere, chromosphere, and the outermost layer, the corona. The transition from the sun's core to its surface is a journey through extremes. The core is akin to a stellar inferno, while the outer layers, like the corona, possess temperatures that defy intuition, reaching several million degrees Celsius. Fact 11. Solar flares. The sun, despite its serene appearance, can unleash powerful bursts of energy known as solar flares. These eruptions of magnetic energy can release an amount of energy equivalent to millions of atomic bombs. Solar flares are not only mesmerizing displays of celestial fireworks, but also potent phenomena with real-world consequences. The extreme temperatures reached during a solar flare, up to 20 million degrees Celsius, which can be as high as 100 million degrees Celsius, highlight the sun's ability to unleash unimaginable amounts of energy. Fact 12. The solar constant. Despite the sun's dynamic nature, the amount of energy it emits towards Earth remains remarkably consistent. The solar constant, approximately 1,361 watts per square meter, represents the average solar radiation reaching the outer atmosphere. The solar constant is a crucial factor in understanding Earth's energy balance. It provides a baseline for estimating the amount of solar energy that powers various natural processes, from photosynthesis in plants to the water cycle and climate dynamics. Fact 13. Solar prominences. Imagine gigantic arcs of glowing gas extending from the sun's surface into its outer atmosphere. These majestic features are known as solar prominences, caused by the sun's magnetic field interacting with its charged particles. The sheer scale of solar prominences is mind-boggling. Some can extend up to 500,000 kilometers above the sun's surface, more than 100 times the diameter of Earth. These solar giants are a testament to the sun's dynamic and magnetic personality. Fact 14. Gravitational lensing. Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity predicted that massive objects can bend the path of light. The sun, being an immense gravitational force, can act as a gravitational lens. This effect was confirmed during a solar eclipse in 1919. In 1915, Einstein predicted gravitational lensing as a consequence of his theory of general relativity. The 1919 solar eclipse expeditions, which confirmed this prediction, marked a pivotal moment in the history of astrophysics, providing evidence for the warping of space-time around massive objects. Fact 15. The sun's ultimate fate. As the sun continues its stellar journey, it will eventually exhaust its hydrogen fuel in the core. In about 5 billion years, it will transition into a red giant, expanding to engulf the inner planets, including Earth. The sun's metamorphosis into a red giant will be a cosmic spectacle, transforming it into a bloated star that could extend beyond the orbit of Mars. Earth, in the grip of the sun's outer layers, will witness a fiery finale as the sun completes its stellar life cycle. Fact 16. Solar observatories. To unravel the mysteries of the sun, scientists rely on sophisticated instruments like solar observatories. These observatories, whether ground-based or in space, capture high-resolution images, allowing researchers to study solar phenomena with unprecedented detail. Solar observatories, equipped with advanced technologies, provide a window into the sun's intricate processes. The high resolution, down to 0.1 arcseconds, allows scientists to monitor sunspots, solar flares, and other phenomena with remarkable clarity. Fact 17. The sun's rotation. Although the sun may appear as a static, glowing sphere, it actually rotates on its axis. However, unlike a solid object, the sun doesn't rotate uniformly. The equator rotates faster than the poles, completing a full rotation approximately every 25 days. The sun's differential rotation is a fascinating aspect of its dynamics. The equator, moving at speeds around 2,000 kilometers per second, outpaces the polar regions, providing a glimpse into the complex interplay between the sun's gaseous layers. Fact 18. Solar energy. Harnessing the power of the sun isn't just a cosmic concept, it's a practical one too. Solar energy, derived from the sun's rays, is a clean and renewable source of power. Solar panels, often seen on rooftops and in solar farms, convert sunlight into electricity. Solar panels, with efficiency levels reaching up to 22%, represent a tangible link between cosmic energy and human innovation. The sun's rays, captured by these photovoltaic cells, offer a sustainable alternative to traditional energy sources, reducing our reliance on finite fossil fuels. Fact 19. Sundials. Long before the invention of modern timekeeping devices, ancient civilizations used sundials to measure time based on the sun's position in the sky. These simple yet ingenious instruments cast shadows on calibrated surfaces, allowing people to estimate the time of day. The history of sundials traces back thousands of years, with ancient examples dating as far back as 1500 BCE. These timekeeping devices not only served practical purposes but also reflected humanity's fascination with celestial movements and the dance of light and shadow. Fact 20. The sun's influence on climate. The sun is not only a source of light and warmth but also a key player in shaping Earth's climate. Variations in solar radiation, coupled with factors like Earth's orbit and axial tilt, influence long-term climate patterns. The sun's influence on climate extends to variations in solar irradiance, the amount of solar energy reaching Earth. While these variations are relatively small, about 0.1% over an 11-year solar cycle, they can contribute to natural climate variability. Understanding these solar climate connections is crucial for comprehending Earth's complex climate system. And there you have it, our cosmic journey through 20 mind-blowing facts about the sun, that radiant celestial body at the heart of our solar system. The sun, with its mesmerizing dance of light and heat, remains a constant source of wonder and inspiration for humanity. As we conclude this exploration, let's reflect on the profound impact the sun has on our existence. From the intricate processes within its core, generating the energy that sustains life on Earth, to its majestic displays like solar flares and eclipses, the sun invites us to contemplate the grandeur of the cosmos. The sun's story is intertwined with our own, a cosmic narrative that spans billions of years. Its life cycle, from birth to eventual transformation, mirrors the cycles of creation and change that echo through the cosmos. As we continue to unlock the mysteries of our celestial companion, the sun, let us remain humbled by the vastness of the universe and the interconnectedness of all cosmic phenomena. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. May the sun's brilliance continue to illuminate the paths of discovery, inspiring generations to come. Make sure to like this video, share this with fellow space enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more to come. Until our next cosmic adventure, keep looking up, stay curious, and embrace the wonders that unfold in the boundless expanse of the universe. This is the Media Geek, signing off, wishing you clear skies and endless fascination.